Flash Loan Platinum Secrets. How to make money with only $100. Flash loans are powerful tools in the crypto world. With zero collateral required, they allow you to borrow large sums of money for a short time, often a single transaction. The trick is leveraging the borrowed funds to generate profits through strategies like arbitrage or liquidations. Let's dive into platinum-level secrets for making money with as little as $100. How flash loans work. Flash loans are provided on platforms like Aave, DYDX, and Uniswap. They must be borrowed and repaid in the same blockchain transaction. If you don't repay, the transaction fails, and the borrowed funds are returned automatically. Requirements to start. With $100 you'll need a MetaMask wallet or a similar wallet, access to a DeFi platform that supports flash loans like Aave, basic knowledge of blockchain transactions and Ethereum virtual machine or EVM interactions. Flash loan strategies. Here's how to use a small initial investment like $100 to make money. A. Arbitrage trading. What it is: take advantage of price differences between two decentralized exchanges for the same token. How it works: borrow a large amount of a token via a flash loan. Buy the token on DEX A where the price is lower. Sell the token on DEX B where the price is higher. Repay the loan and pocket the profit. Example: borrow $50,000 worth of ETH from Aave. Buy 500 XYZ tokens on Uniswap for $90 each, totaling $45,000. Sell the 500 XYZ tokens on SushiSwap for $92 each, totaling $46,000. Profit equals $1,000 minus fees. Tools: use arbitrage scanners like dextools.io or arbitragescanner.com to find profitable pairs. B. Liquidation bot. What it is: use borrowed funds to liquidate under-collateralized loans on lending platforms like Compound or Aave. How it works: borrow funds via a flash loan, liquidate a loan, seizing the collateral, sell the collateral for a profit, repay the loan and keep the difference. Example: borrow 50,000 USDC, use it to liquidate a loan collateralized by undervalued ETH. Claim collateral worth $55,000, repay the $50,000 loan and profit $5,000. C. Yield farming boost. What it is: use a flash loan to temporarily increase your funds in a liquidity pool, boosting your rewards. How it works: borrow funds via a flash loan, deposit the borrowed funds into a high-yield liquidity pool such as PancakeSwap or Curve. Withdraw your funds along with rewards, repay the flash loan and keep the rewards. Example: borrow $100,000 via a flash loan, stake it in a pool offering 10% annualized rewards for a 24-hour period. Collect $273 in rewards for 1 day. Repay the loan and pocket the profit. D. Token swaps. What it is: exploit temporary price inefficiencies during large token swaps. How it works: borrow funds via a flash loan, perform a swap on DEX A for token A to token B. Swap token B back to token A on DEX B. Repay the loan and keep the profit. Example: borrow $50,000 in ETH. Swap ETH for token A at a discounted price due to temporary demand. Swap token A back to ETH on another platform at a higher rate. Profit from price discrepancies. Step-by-step guide for arbitrage with $100. Choose a platform. Start with Aave or DYDX, which supports flash loans. Scan for arbitrage opportunities. Use tools like dextools.io, which tracks token prices across DEX, and arbitragescanner.com, which identifies profitable trading pairs. Borrow funds. On Aave, initiate a flash loan for a large sum. Execute trades. Use the borrowed funds to buy low on one DEX and sell high on another. Repay the loan. Ensure the profits cover the loan amount and transaction fees. Profit. Keep the remaining amount after loan repayment. Platforms for flash loans. Aave, the go-to platform for flash loans on Ethereum. DYDX offers no collateral loans with low fees. Uniswap v3 indirectly supports flash loan strategies via liquidity pools. Tools to automate flash loan arbitrage. Flash loan scripts. Pre-written code that executes trades automatically. Available on GitHub. Sniping bots. Automatically track and exploit price inefficiencies. Custom flash loan contracts. Write a custom contract to execute your strategy in one transaction. Risks to consider. Transaction fees. Flash loans can fail if profits don't cover Ethereum gas fees or platform fees. Slippage. Sudden price changes during arbitrage trades can reduce profits. Smart contract risk. If a protocol gets hacked or exploited, your funds could be at risk. Final platinum tips. Start small test strategies with $100 before scaling up. Automate. Use bots or scripts to execute trades faster than manual methods. Track whales. Watch whale wallets using platforms like Nansen.ai to mimic successful strategies. Monitor gas fees. Use tools like ETH gas station to avoid losing profits to high fees.